Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Delaney and this is Home by Delaney. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the final part of my 2025 Christmas Decorate With Me series. And we are just decorating some smaller parts of my home. We are doing a lot of spaces, mainly upstairs. So our landing, our upstairs hallway, my son's bathroom, my son's room, a little bit in the laundry room, and then my little personal office area. So just adding in some festive touches. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my home tour coming out very soon. Thank you so much for being here. Let's jump right into today's Decorate With Me video.
And I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up.
So we're up here. This is the top of our stairs. We have a little landing here, and we keep our board games in this little black cabinet. So I have this amber vase that I absolutely love from Target, and then bringing in some gorgeous Norfolk pine stems and red berry stems. The Norfolk pine stems are from Hobby Lobby. The red berry stems, I think, were from Target. This gorgeous Santa bust that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, last year. Can't remember, but I love him, and my son gets so excited when he sees him. And then I'm just putting 2 new LED red candles from Hobby Lobby here that have a timer, and it is just so magical. I love coming up the stairs and seeing this. It truly makes me so happy.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
So this space is also in our hallway. I like to call it our dog shrine because we have a whole gallery wall of all of our dog related artwork and pictures, and of course I have some dog related Christmas decor. So this pug here that you see is from Hobby Lobby, and then everything else is from Target. So this pug nutcracker, this little pug snow globe, and the Christmas tree that I'm going to be decorating with is my little Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby. Same thing with all of the ornaments and the tree skirt, but that I'm going to be bringing in. I use it as a tree topper, but it's literally just a pug ornament from Target. This is so extra, I know, but it just, again, it makes me so happy, and I love walking by this every time because our dogs are truly our world, and you know, they deserve a little moment here. And I feel like everyone deserves their own Christmas tree, no matter how small. Let me know down in the comments, do you have a Christmas tree for your dogs, or am I just extra? But I already know that I am. This is a little dough bowl that I keep out year round, but then I have this little potpourri that I put in, and I have like an apple cinnamon scent. And I just love that for this time of the year.
Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da. Oh oh, oh la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear.
All right, so this floating shelf is at the very end of our hallway between our office and my son's room. I have this gorgeous Santa and Mrs. Claus painting from a Walmart. These two gold Christmas trees are from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just bringing in two different taper candle holders from Hobby Lobby as well, with some red LED taper candles from Hobby Lobby, and I just love that they come with a remote so that I can just turn them on whenever, and I love looking at this every time we are upstairs. It's just so magical. This piece of artwork from Walmart is amazing.
A sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all.
All right, so keeping the decor really simple in here, I just have a wooden tree that I've had from Hobby Lobby for several years now, a reed diffuser from Target that's not necessarily Christmas themed, but I feel like it is a good winter scent. It is a vetiver, that's probably wrong, and cedarwood. And then Tis the Season hand soap from Bath and Body Works. My husband is so funny. He's like, I love the Santa soap. It smells so good. So this is such a good scent. And then I keep this little vase in here year round and just change out the florals. So I just added in some of my green pine stems from Hobby Lobby. And then these red berry stems are from Amazon. So keeping it simple in here, we gotta, it has to be very functional in here. But yeah, so this is all of the Christmas decor in my son's bathroom.
Around town, watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree.
Okay, so Odin and I did his Christmas decor together. So I did not film it, but I want to go ahead and show you what we did. We didn't really get anything new this year, so if you saw last year's video, but I'll start here on the dresser. So obviously he has my little Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby, and then a little beaded garland, some mini ornaments, some dinosaur ornaments. These were from, I think these were from Target. And then the star on the tree is from Hobby Lobby as well. Same with the mini tree skirt. And then his little tier tray. So everything on this tier tray, aside from the bottle brush trees, are from Hobby Lobby. So this whole little elf theme was a whole set. And then the bottle brush trees were from Target. And then going over here, so these glittery bottle brush trees and the animals, I want to say were from Target a couple of years ago. These were all Target dollar spot finds throughout the years, so I just made a little magical Christmassy animal forest. And then of course we got a lot of Christmas books, and we just love reading at night and before nap time, and I just love showcasing all of his seasonal books. And then new this year, we got this really fun garland from Target. It's the Mondo Llama brand, and it was literally $5. And I will say I mostly put it together, but Odin was with me, and he helped me when his attention span would allow, but it's so cute. So I just love how this whole little area turned out. And then other decor, this isn't really decor, but it is a little, like, it was an advent calendar that one of my husband's coworkers gave to us, and it was really fun opening it up, and so he loves just playing with it and setting all of the pieces up in new positions. And then this was a DIY Christmas gift from a family member, so I like to just showcase it, and that's pretty much it. You know, he's a toddler, so we gotta keep everything really functional in here and give him lots of space, but still have room for all of his, well, not all of his toys, because a lot of it is downstairs too, but just love how festive it feels in here.
As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe.
Right here is my little personal office space. So it's just in a little nook in our hallway because our bedroom is right there. I just added a couple of like leftover pieces. So I added this little garland, Hobby Lobby. This December 25th sign, I used to have it downstairs, but I moved it up here since I have a different sign in the kitchen. Then just added some pine picks and goldberry picks. Both of these are from Hobby Lobby. And then I have these gold sequenced cone Christmas trees from Target a couple years ago. And then a little throw blanket from the Target dollar spot a few years ago. And then my little Target, and it lights up. It's very exciting. Ready? Oh, like if I had a Target themed village right here, I would be very happy. But right now we just have Target. So, and this is probably going to be the very first part of like a 2026 organize with me, declutter, revamp, refresh, because I did not get to it this year. Like obviously I've used it and whatnot, but I have not made a video on it, and I'd love to show you everything, and I'd love to refresh it for the new year to make it even more functional. So this is how this little area turned out, and I just love it so much.
Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house.
Alright, so here in the laundry room, kept it really simple. So again, just using some different decor pieces that I've had over the years. I have these floating shelves in here from Target. This Let It Snow snowman wood sign is from Hobby Lobby. These trees are from a decor store local to me that's now closed, unfortunately. This little snowman, Hobby Lobby. And then this is like a fun sign that you can switch out the different little pages in it depending on the holiday. So kept it real simple in here, but I actually never put this much decor up here for holidays, so I'm actually really loving this. And then I just put some more of my pine stems and my red berries in this little Target dollar spot vase. So little simple touches in here, but I feel like it's just little things like this that make all the difference. And that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe, stick around for my Christmas home tour, and I hope you're having the best holiday season. Bye.
Wish us